Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make PowerPoint slide video. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation. After that, go to the File menu, and here you will click on Export. Then, select the Create a Video option. Now, define the quality of the video you will save and the length of time each slide will last. To complete, click Create Video. You will choose where it will be stored and the name to use. Click Save. Wait for the video to be created. When finished, you can open the video to view your presentation in this mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.